are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha and I am back with another video. Now, let me go ahead and put a disclaimer out there that today's video will be a video that I typically will not put on my channel, but because of everything that is going around with the whole world, literally the whole world, with, as we know what's going on, I don't want to say because YouTube may remove this video. Basically did a lot of research online, mainly on IRS website. If you guys do not know, my name is Keisha and I'm the owner of Taxontrack, and on my YouTube channel I basically put out videos helping entrepreneurs within the tax industry scale their career. So if you are someone that is interested in doing taxes, this is the channel that you should subscribe to. If you are an experienced tax preparer and you're not scaling, on my channel I basically give out as much free tips as I possibly can to anyone that is interested in being a preparer or anyone that is a preparer. Are not already following my Instagram and Facebook, I need you guys to go ahead and follow and like my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Taxontrack LLC and my Instagram page is Taxontrack. If you are someone that is interested in starting their own tax preparation company, me and my team have created an online curriculum that's teaching you step by step on how to start your very own tax company. We are looking to launch the course this summer. Now what you can do is go on startyourtaxcompany.com and you'll see a coming soon page. Just go ahead and enter your email and you'll be the first to know when we officially launch, and you'll be first to know when you can order on the pre-sale discounted price. So let's get started with the video. As a tax preparer, I've been getting a lot of phone calls on everything that's been going on. I can't imagine what it is like to just basically lose your income. So I want to put out this video and help as many people as I possibly can. So if you feel that this video was very informative for you, you found a lot of information, it was very detailed, just go ahead and share. I'm gonna just get started with the video. Right, how much will your check be? According to IRS website, according to NY Times web blog, the checks will be up to $1,200 depending on your AGI. And AGI is annual gross income. Your annual gross income is what you have made for the whole year. If your AGI is $75,000 or less and you are single, you filed for single, you are eligible for a check up to $1,200. If you have a dependent that is 17 or younger, you will receive an additional $500 for your dependent. As of right now, there will only be one payment going out to everyone. If you're single, your AGI should be $75,000, or if you filed head of household, your AGI should be $112,000. Or married with no kids, your AGI should be $150,000 or less, and you will receive up to $2,400. Will college students receive any money from the government? If someone claimed you as a dependent on their tax return, no, you will not receive any income from the government. You should be looking at your 2019 tax return. If you did not file your 2019, then you should look at the prior year, which is the 2018 tax return. That's the numbers that IRS will be going over. All right, so I'm just looking down at my notes and I'm going to go ahead and read it to you guys. So the next question is, what if my income made me ineligible, but I anticipate on being eligible because of the loss of the income in 2020? The plan does not help people that is in that circumstances as of now. but you may benefit once you file your tax return for 2020. So basically what that means is, say for instance that you did not make the money that you anticipated on making for 2020, and you still are old, but you're still ineligible. That means if you're ineligible at this very moment, if you are ineligible, you will not receive the money. But when it's time for you to receive your W-2 or your 1099 from your employer, when it's time for you to do your taxes, you may benefit from it. So the lower you make, the more you get. I have to apply to receive a payment. No, you will not have to apply. You will not have to apply anywhere. IRS will automatically send the money to the bank account that is already on file. If you went through a tax preparer to file your taxes, I will say reach out to your tax preparers, because customers already started reaching out to me. So depending on how tax preparers work, some tax preparers work with bank products, so that means IRS paid out the bank product. That can get a little technical. You will have to really reach out to your tax preparer in that matter. Now, if you are someone that does your taxes yourself and it came into your bank account, then IRS will put the money in that bank account. If IRS do not have a direct deposit for you, they will automatically send you a check via mail. When will the payment arrive? The payment will arrive within 3 weeks. 3 weeks from the date that this was officially approved. The next question is, if my payment doesn't come in soon, how can I be sure it wasn't misdirected? So, according to the bill, you will get a paper notice in the mail no later than a few weeks after your payment has been distributed. That notice will contain information where the payment had ended up going and where it was made. If you cannot locate the payment at that point, it will be your duty to give IRS a call to figure out where your money is, and they will ask you questions that's on that letter. So I'll highly recommend to keep that letter that you receive, if you receive a letter. The next question is, will most people who receive Social Security, retirement, or disability payments each month also get a check? Yes. Will eligible unemployed people get these checks? Yes. Veterans? Yes. U.S. citizens living abroad get a payment? Yes. As long as they meet the income requirements and have a Social Security number. Do I have to pay income taxes on the amount of my payment? So the next question is a question that I was receiving a lot. People were scared that if they should receive this money or not, if they should get the money, if they shouldn't get the money, how would they get the money? Like, people were just asking all kind of questions. But this question here was a very common question. People wanted to know, if they received the money from the IRS, will IRS tax them on that money? According to IRS, no. No. If your income tax is currently being garnished because you have a debt with someone, and you, like for instance for school, your school loans is taken out, your every time you file for your taxes, your school loan take it, will you be eligible for this the checks that's coming out? Yes, you will still be eligible. They will not garnish you. They will not garnish it. Okay guys, hopefully this video was very detailed for you and you was able to get as much information as possible. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns about your personal tax return, I highly recommend that you give your tax preparer a call. If you're still looking for someone to do your taxes, go ahead and give me a call. Our office phone number is 954-391-8802. If you are somebody that's interested in becoming a tax preparer and don't know where to begin, be sure to follow our Instagram, which is Taxontrack, and our new Instagram, Start Your Tax Company. So bye.